all the parts have been cleaned. I was able to take off the side frame and clean the electrical pickups, which are right behind here. Those have been cleaned. The wheels been cleaned and polished, so we got them all nice and shiny. Did find one issue. Seems to be common with this type of train. Is a coupler on the worm gear was split right along this seam here. So what I did is I took it off, put a little CA glue in there and held it until it's sealed, fused the two parts back of it together. Also put some CA on, a little bit on the tip on the shaft, being careful not to get it on the bearing. It was on this one and also on the rear one. So both of them were split. The motor, I put it right back in with the blue motor wire on top, applying high temperature bearing grease to the truck assembly pins. Reinstalling the idle gears. Lubricating the gears. Reattaching the side frame. Reinstalling the wheels. Adding grease. Reattaching the bottom clip. Repeating the process for the second truck assembly. Snap on the cap. Reattaching the trucks, first the wires go through the chassis and then snap it in place. Adding grease to the worm gear and putting them in place. Reinstalling the top clip. Now the front truck. Reinstalling the drive shafts. Reattaching the circuit board and passing it down with a screw. Resoldering the motor wires to the circuit board. Resoldering the rear truck wires and the front truck's wires and lights to the circuit board. Reinstall the coupler box and coupler to the front of the train. Back to working. I performed the same procedure for the B unit. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.